Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. Now dear students, in this video lecture, we will solve a couple of questions of exercise 20E. This is class 7, chapter 20. So friends, in the last video lecture, we had discussed questions from 1 to 5. So here we'll start from question number 6. So have a look. See friends, question number 6 says the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Now first friends, we'll make the equation, then find out the radius of the circle. Okay, now see friends, there is a circle. Okay, so this is friends diameter. Okay, it is the diameter or radius is r. Okay, now we have to find the value of this radius. So the relation is given, the circumference of a circle exceeds, say friends, circumference is c. Suppose c is the circumference, that is circumference friends. This is the circumference, the boundary of the circle. The perimeter of the circle is called circumference. Now the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30. The diameter is d by 30 centimeter exceed. सिंपल फ्रेंड्स, क्या है क्वेश्चन, ये कह रहा कि सर्कल का जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है वो डायमीटर से 30 अधिक है. ओके, तो डायमीटर डी फ्रेंड्स. नाउ द वैल्यू वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू c इज इक्वल टू फ्रेंड्स 2 pi r because the circumference of circle 2 pi r and d is equal to friends 2r, twice the radius. Okay, plus 30. Okay, now see friends, bring this to the left. 2 pi r minus 2r is equal to 30. Okay, now see, this is 2 will get take the common, as 2 is common, take out the common, pi r minus r. Okay, that is 30. Now 2 1 ja and 2 15 times will get cancelled. Okay, now put the value of, just friends, just a minute. Take 2 as a common, 2r is the common. Okay, take 2r. Now this is 2r is the common, that is pi minus 1. Okay, now that is 30. 2 pi को कॉमन ले लिएगा फ्रेंड्स, तो 2 pi यहाँ पे pi और माइनस 1 बचा. ओके, नाउ फ्रेंड्स ये 2 1 जा 2 and 2 15 टाइम्स विल गेट कैंसिल. सो हेयर फ्रेंड्स r मुझे फाइंड करना, r इज इक्वल टू पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 माइनस 1 is equal to 15. Okay, now solve friends. R, that is 27 minus 7/7 is equal to 15. Okay, R is equal to, that is 22 minus 7 becomes, that is 15 divided by 7 is equal to 15. Okay, now friends, this r becomes, r is equal to, यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके, this r is equal to 15 multiplied by 7 cross divided by 15. So 15 will get cancelled. R is equal to 7 centimeter. So this is your required answer. I hope friends you will understand. Now see the next question. Now see friends, question number 8 says, how long will a man take to make a round of a circular field of radius 21 meter, cycling at the speed of 8 km per hour? Now friends, he is the one man, and this question says that suppose there is a ground friends in a circular form. Okay, so there is a circular ground, and this question says a man will take a one complete rotation, will run around this circular path. So how long will a man take to complete one round? Okay, That means friends, one rod means friends, that is one rod means there is a circumference. Okay, suppose there is a man is going to move along this path, complete one round. So this path is nothing but this is friends, this is circumference. So first we have to find the circumference, and this circumference is equal to the distance traveled by this man. Okay, now here this is C. Why we have to calculate the circumference of this? Because this circumference gives us the distance traveled by this man. Okay, now see, C is equal to means circumference 2 pi r. So r is given 21 meter and the speed of this man is given 8 kilometer per hour. Okay, that is 1 hour 8 kilometer. So here 2 pi r means 2 as it is, pi 22 by 7 multiplied by 21 because r is 21. 7 3 ja 21. After multiplying we get the circumference of this. That means this man traveled one complete round, that is 132 distance in meter. Okay, now this will change. Now I'm going to change this meter in terms of kilometer, dividing by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That is, this is why we divide this meter by 1000 becomes kilometer. Why friends? Because the speed of this man is given in terms of kilometer. Okay, so this is the distance. Now hence we wrote here distance of one round by this person is, that is 132 divided by 1000 kilometer. Okay, that is this distance is traveled by the man. Okay, now we know friends the time is equal to distance by speed. This is the formula. Okay, distance by speed. So distance is calculated over here, 132 divided by 1000. Okay, now friends see how to calculate this. Now see friends, here look at, have a look friends, here 132 divided by 1000 multiplied by 8. Okay, now friends 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 and 4 3 ja 12. Okay, so this one becomes 33, this becomes by 1000 multiplied by 2. Now friend, this is hours. We have to calculate, we have to match the answer. So the answer is given as seconds. So now friends, we have to change this hour in seconds. So after multiplying 60 becomes minute, then multiply once again 60 becomes second. Okay, that is second. Now friend, this 0 2 0 will get cancelled. Okay, 2 3 ja, sorry, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja friends 6, 2 5 ja 10 and 2 3 ja 6. Now friend, this is 33 multiplied by 9 and divided by 5. After calculating friends, will get, that is 59.4 second. Calculate, that is your required answer. I hope friends you will be understand. Now see the next one. Now see friends, next question. I will not write question on the board friends, only to make understand. See the question number 9 says a racetrack in the form of a ring whose inner circumference 528 meter and outer circumference 616 in meter. Find the width of the track. See friends, there is inner circumference and that is the outer circumference. Okay, and there is the center. Now see friends, there is circumference. Suppose this C1 is the circumference, outer circumference, and C2 is the inner circumference. Now given C1 is equal to friends, C1 is equal to given track the form the whose inner circumference C1 is inner circumference and 528 and the outer circumference 66. Outer C1 friends, that is suppose इसे अगर आप C1 मानिए, that is C2, anything, it could be anything. C1 is given 528 meter and now C2 is given, that is the outer circumference is 606 meter. Now we find the width of the track. इस track का width निकालना फ्रेंड, that is the width. ये that is suppose x है, इस x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. हैव अ लुक फ्रेंड्स, ये x कैसे निकलेगा? सिंपल, that is friends, this is small r and that is the big R. Suppose small radius and capital radius. If you find the difference between this capital minus this small, so we'll get this value friends, that is total capital R minus small r, we'll get this width. Now here friends, we have to find this, we have to find the value of r and small r and capital R respectively by this C1 and C2. So now friends, C1 is given. Now C1 is 528. That is the small radius because of the smaller circle. So 2 pi r, because friends this is the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r, 528. Okay friends, now r 2 multiplied by 22 by 7. Okay, because the pi ki value 22 by 7 multiply by r is equal to 528. So this 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. So r is equal to 264 multiplied by 7, cross multiplication and divided by 22. Okay, now this is 21, 22 1 ja 20, 22 1 ja 22, 22 1 ja 22, that is then 4, 22 2 ja 60, 44. Then r is equal to 12 multiplied by 7, 84, that is meter. Small r, we get the small r. Now to find out the greater big R. See friends, here the C2 is given 661. So this is the circumference of the bigger circle. So the formula of circumference 2 pi capital R is equal to 616. Now 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 0 and then 2 8 ja. So now pi 22 by 7, r as it is 300. So this r is equal to 308 multiplied by 7 divided by 22. This will easy friends, 22 1 ja 22, 8 28, 4, 22 4 ja, that is 88. Now this r becomes, so this r is equal to 14 multiplied by 7, 98 meter. So now friends, width of this track, that is capital R minus small r, 98 minus 84. Now 98 minus 84, width 98 minus 84, that is 98 minus 84. This becomes 4 and that is 1. So this is required solution. I hope friends you will be understand. So you solve question number 6 to 10. This is your homework, question 6 to 10, exercise 20E. Have a nice day.